What is up? Welcome back to the channel. I'm sure you've clicked on this video because you're looking to take your gas tank off of your Harley Davidson, preferably a touring model, anywhere between the years of, let's say, 1999 and 2016. That sounds about right. 2017, right? Isn't that when the Milwaukee 8 came out? I think so. 2009, which is my bike's model year, they switched the frame. You know, made some tweaks to it. I'm gonna show you guys how to remove the gas tank so you can do what it is that you wanna do to your bike. Whether it's routine maintenance, you're gonna put on a new part. I don't know, I have no clue what's going on. Maybe your mom just said, hey, go take the tank off your Harley Davidson. Now you're gonna know how to do it. Here we go. So before we can get to the gas tank, we have to remove the seat. Simple process, seat removed, onto the tank. Now that we have the seat off, you're gonna have a breather line on each side. I've already removed the one on the left, gotta take the one out here on the right. And then on my bike, because it used to be a police bike, I only have one stock electrical connection. If you are on a street glide special, road glide special, road king, you're probably gonna have two of these. So you're gonna wanna remove that, and then you're gonna be free and clear to unscrew the gas tank and get it removed. If you're enjoying the content so far, please consider hitting that subscribe button, hit that like button, hit the notification bell. Let's get back to the video. All right, let's get in there and get these unscrewed. So the next step is going to be removing the two Torx forking screws on either side of the front gas tank. Usually there's a rubber grommet over this piece, but I have removed that. We're going to remove those, and then the gas tank will be free and clear to come off. All right, on the left side of the tank, there's a stop valve right here. We're gonna go ahead and push that up and remove the gas line. Might have a little fuel that leaks out, but that's okay. Just wipe it off with a rag. All right, guys, and now that that's all done, we can simply lift the gas tank up and off of the bike, and you're good to go to do whatever it is you need to do. You're gonna wanna place this somewhere where it's not gonna get damaged. All right, well, there you go. It's as simple as that. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hey, if it's your first time, my name is Robbie. This is Stiff Rides. We're all about the ride, all about the adventure. Sometimes we're all about working on our bike too. Stay safe out there. Later.